Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create a pretty awesome dashboard with the help of Google Gemini. Normally creating a similar kind of dashboard in Power BI or Excel can take hours of work building charts, formatting visuals, writing formulas and designing the layout. But with Gemini, we can speed up the whole process and generate insights much faster. Friends, before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Sunan Sharma and I'm based in Netherlands. And if you are landing on our YouTube channel Career Talk for the first time, it's definitely worth checking out our previous videos. I'm sure you will find tons of useful information and practical tips in them. And if you enjoy this content, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. Your one like is a big motivation for us to create more hands-on, practical, and useful videos for you. So let's get started. So friends, here I have my PI planning Excel sheet, which contain project and planning data. And in this video, I will show you how we can use Google Gemini to quickly analyze this Excel sheet data and transfer it into a clean, insightful dashboard without spending hours building it manually. So this is my Excel sheet. This is my capacity planning, all these things. So I'm sure like if you are working in SAFE, you already know all this. Then we have all our velocity things, sprint backlog, dependencies, budget, and so on other things. So this is our Excel sheet. We are going to use this Excel sheet in our Gemini. So let's go to our Gemini now. Okay. So this is our Google Gemini. I'm going to add the file. I'm just uploading this PI planning sheet over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give a small prompt over here. Okay. And the prompt is create an image of a dashboard. And don't worry, friends, all these prompts you can find in the description box of this video. So if you have your laptop, just check out the description and I will add all these prompts over there. Yeah. So this is a prompt, create an image of a dashboard that have multiple charts that shows key insights from the attached data, give the dashboard a theme that matches the theme of the data file. So this is a uh, simple prompt, but the problem with this prompt is that when we are going to use it, and even with the same sheet, if you are going to use it, you will get different kind of layouts, different kind of matrices. But how we can resolve that I'm going to share very soon, but let's run it first. We'll submit it, and it normally take 20 to 30 seconds to process this data. Excel sheet and lot of different tabs are there, so it may roughly take, yeah, 20 to 30 seconds, and you will get a, let's see what we are going to get, because every time even I'm also getting something totally different, but we know that how to fix it. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is the dashboard which we got from this prompt, which is also good. I mean, if you look into it, we get a lot of information: average sprint velocity, risk dependencies, available capacity, total estimate, which is also good, I would say. But the challenge, as I told you, every time these layouts, these pictures will be different. So what I have done, I have created a detailed prompt. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this prompt, that I will define the role, for example, Scrum Master, Product Owner, or things like that. And then we'll define the goal, which is we have to create a single page executive dashboard. And we're also going to describe the exact layout structure. So for example, we need KPI summary cards, we need different chart, we need risk and objective. So we will define the visual style. Okay. So the color palette, the card, the spacing, all these things we are going to define in that prompt, and what exact matrices we need, because right now which you are seeing on the screen is random, right? So for example, we want to see the PI progress, we want to see the flow velocity, capacity, block ratios, burn velocity chart, and health gauge, right? So the idea is that we will ensure that the output is executive friendly and presentation ready. So this prompt basically tells an AI to design a structured professional program dashboard, which has been used by the leadership. Okay. So all these things I'm going to do with that. Uh, Again, prompts are there in the description. You can just open this video and look into the prompt. Okay. Now there is one more small thing which I want you to do. Uh, what we are going to do is this time. So if you hover over here under these tools, there's an option of create image. Okay. So earlier we have not used this option. Now we are using it, create image, and we are also use this thinking one. Okay. And this is the prompt which I have already created for you guys. See, everything which I just mentioned is there over here. Yeah. You can just copy paste and let's hit submit it. And again, it may take some time. Again, it may take, yeah, 20-30 seconds. So let's wait. Okay, so it's been processed and see, that's the difference. That's the difference between the previous image and this image. This is so detailed and one page executive dashboard. This is really, really awesome, guys. So this is PI progress, flow velocity, and all these are into bold, team capacity, blocked issues, this complete health matrices, project health, budget health, overall your project health and things like that. And PI velocity, burn up chart, risk blockers, objective. So everything is good over here. So of course you can do a lot of different variation, whatever you want into this. So that's something which is right over here, right? So it's so easy. Now there is one more important thing. There is an option which is canvas over here. Yeah, canvas. Now this is also something which is pretty handy for us as in project managers, scrum masters, leaders, right? So in this Gemini canvas, you can do side by side comparison. It's like a side by side workspace. Okay. So right now, what we are doing, we are just texting. It's an interface, and we are getting an output, right? But in Canvas, it's an collaborative editor. So you will have your text window over here, and then complete coding, whatever is happening. So we have a dedicated window basically next to our chat. So you can write, you can do coding, you can do some data task and lot of things in the canvas. So it's also really useful. Okay. One of the use case I'm just going to show you, which I found it pretty useful. So let me just show you. So this is one pie chart. This is a random pie chart, not from my project. This is some random pie chart which I have just taken from Google. And what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to give this prompt that I would like to see this data with several different chart types that are better alternative to the pie chart. And please create a web page with the interactive charts that all the plot the same data but use different chart types, right? And we are using this canvas. And now let's see what's going to happen. And let me just submit it. And let's wait. See here, this parallelly, they just started this coding window. Yeah. So all this code has been written. Now the beauty of this canvas is, so for example, you will get some data out of it. It will going to give us different alternative. See, all these are the alternatives for this particular pie chart, which they mentioned. So they come up with some horizontal bar chart, and this is interactive, right? The moment you click it, it's showing you the specific data. Then where is Treemap? See, you can when click on this, you can see that. And this is a Lollipop chart. This is also pretty good. And yeah, data table. So it just give you a lot of different option. Now the thing is, like, if you want to change something specific to this, right? Either you can even you want to do some coloring change or this or something, right? Or you can write over here as well. So for example, I don't like these blue colors, right? So can you uh, change the theme to dark mode? I'm just, yeah, giving this. Let's see what's going to happen. So whatever you want to do, you can do it parallelly onto this, right? And even if this is useful in your different dashboards, even you can create an interactive dashboard. And the good thing is there is a versioning over here. So let's say for whatever reason you don't like this version, you can again go back to the previous version. So that's also a good option. The versioning is also there. So That's also good. And this feature I also found it pretty interesting. See, this has been changed, right? So now it's changed into the dark mode. You can do lots of thing over here. Let's say you want to do specific some functions, some addition, some formulas you want to add over here. You can have to just type it. That's it. And it's pretty easy. Comparing to your Excel sheet, you have to spend a lot of time. So this is pretty good for us. So I thought to share with you all. And if you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content on product management, agile delivery, and data-driven leadership. And yeah, I mean, if you like to full prompt or template using this video, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, everyone.